Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to make a tote bag for a quiet book. So you will need a fabric. I'm going to use duck fabric, or this is natural cotton duck fabric, lightweight and heavyweight I have here. This is 100% cotton. I washed the fabric in my washing machine, so I will need just to iron it very well. So you may use duck fabric or you may use linen. Here I have linen, and in this video I will show you how I'm going to make a tote bag using the canvas, cotton canvas. This is 100% cotton duck fabric. If in cotton fabric threads are waving one by one, like so, here 2 threads by 2. This is why this fabric may be used to make bags, shopping bags, or any eco bag, because this is cotton. So let's get started. You will need only 2 measurements: the size of the page and the thickness of the book. The size of the page is A and B is a thickness. For my book, A is 15 centimeters, B is 7 centimeters. This is fabric. Here is fold. To find out the width, you need A, the size of the page, plus B plus 2 centimeters plus 2.5 centimeters. I'm going to add 2 centimeters because I don't want my bag to be very tight, and the seam allowances are 2.5 centimeters. So here I have A plus B plus 4.5 centimeters. In my case, it will be 26.5 centimeters. 15 plus 7 plus 4.5, 26.5. I will round it to 27. To find out the length, I need to take half of B, half of thickness, 3.5, plus A plus 15 plus 10 centimeters. Why am I adding 10 centimeters? 5 is seam allowance, and I'm adding 5 centimeters to the length to make proper size of the bag. So what you need: take your fabric, cut out of the fabric. Yes, here I have 28.5, right? And round it to 29. Okay, so here I need to cut 27 centimeters by 58. Also, I need to cut out fabric for the handles, 10 by 40 centimeters. 2 pieces. I washed the fabric in the washing machine, and now I need to iron it with the steam very well. Fold the fabric. Don't forget that we don't use selvage edge, approximately 30 centimeters. So here should be 29 centimeters, and I mean the length, and the width 27 centimeters. So this detail is for the bag, 27 by 58, and these 2 are for the handles. Each one is 10 centimeters wide and 40 centimeters long. If you have felt ruler like this one, align the crease and the line on the ruler. Here I need half of B, I mean half of the thickness of the book. In my case is 3.5 centimeters. So here 3.5, like so, and press with the iron. This is wrong side of the fabric. If you don't have felt ruler, then take metallic ruler, place it on the fabric, measure here from the crease to the left side of the ruler half of B, half of thickness of your book. In my case is 3.5 centimeters. 3.5. Fold back like so and press with the iron. This is right side of the fabric. Fold and press. Wrong side of the fabric and right side of the fabric. If you want to apply any patch or applique, this is the right time. Apply the applique and only then sew the bag. Fold in half, right side out, and press. Again, fold towards the crease. And fold again, align the folds together. Here I have the handle 40 centimeters long and 2.5 centimeters wide, or you may use the ready one. Now sew along the edge, seam allowance 5 millimeters on both sides. Cut off all the threads and turn out the bag. Here I have 5 millimeters seam allowance. Here will be 7 millimeters. Here and here. You may press with the iron, but I think there is no need to waste time. Okay. it. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.